So here's the issue that I'm dealing with. That tree right there is dead, and it's going to fall. There's my cabin, and it's up on stilts. So I have to find a way to take this down in a controlled manner, because if I don't, and it's leaning the wrong way, if I don't take it down now, it could happen when I'm not here, and I won't be able to deal with it. It could hit the cabin. So what I'm going to try to do, I want to save as many of the trees around this as possible. I'm actually going to go a little bit higher than normal, and I'm going to wedge it here, and then do a back cut here, and then I might have to put in some wedges in here, because I want it to go that way. And we'll see if that happens. We'll see if this works, because you can see it. It's just too close to the cabin. It already has a slight lean in the right direction. That's good news. Seems like it wants to go that way rather than that way, but I'll do the best I can. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I wonder if I could just take a branch and start wrapping it around and pull it. That is not how you take down a tree. However, somehow we missed the cabin. Everything else went wrong. Wow. Well, we're a lot safer than we were a few minutes ago. Sweetie, there's a reason that they have people called lumberjacks.